Hello and welcome to our YouTube video on 7 tips on making Ozempic work for weight loss. If you're someone who has been struggling with weight loss, you're not alone. According to the CDC, more than 70% of adults in the United States are overweight or obese. Obesity can lead to a range of health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and even some types of cancer. That's why it's so important to find effective strategies for weight loss, and why we're here to talk about Ozempic. Ozempic is an FDA-approved medication that has been shown to help people lose weight. It works by mimicking the effects of a hormone called GLP-1, which helps to slow down digestion and make you feel full for longer. This can help to reduce your appetite and make it easier to stick to a healthy diet. Ozempic is typically used in conjunction with diet and exercise to help people achieve their weight loss goals. Tip 1. Understand how Ozempic works. To get the most out of Ozempic, it's important to understand how it works. As we mentioned earlier, Ozempic mimics the effects of a hormone called GLP-1. GLP-1 is produced in the gut in response to food, and it helps to regulate blood sugar levels and reduce appetite. By taking Ozempic, you can increase the amount of GLP-1 in your body, which can lead to weight loss. It's also worth noting that Ozempic is typically used to treat type 2 diabetes, which often goes hand in hand with obesity. By regulating blood sugar levels, Ozempic can help to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of complications associated with diabetes. Tip 2. Take Ozempic as directed. If you've been prescribed Ozempic, it's important to take it exactly as directed by your doctor. Ozempic is injected into the skin once a week, and it's important to take it at the same time each week. Your doctor will determine the appropriate dosage based on your individual needs, and it's important not to exceed this dosage. It's also important not to skip doses of Ozempic. Consistency is key when it comes to seeing results with this medication, so make sure to set a reminder for yourself each week to take your injection. Tip 3. Follow a healthy diet and exercise plan. While Ozempic can be an effective tool for weight loss, it's important to remember that it's not a magic pill. In order to see the best results, it's important to follow a healthy diet and exercise plan. This means eating a balanced diet that is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein, and engaging in regular exercise. If you're not sure where to start with your diet and exercise plan, consider working with a registered dietitian or certified personal trainer. They can help you develop a plan that is tailored to your individual needs and goals. Tip 4. Monitor your blood sugar levels. One of the potential side effects of Ozempic is low blood sugar levels. This can be dangerous if left unmonitored, especially if you're taking other medications for diabetes. Make sure to monitor your blood sugar levels regularly and talk to your doctor if you're experiencing symptoms of low blood sugar, such as sweating, dizziness, or confusion. Tip 5. Stay hydrated. Another potential side effect of Ozempic is nausea and vomiting. This can lead to dehydration if you're not careful, so it's important to stay hydrated. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day, and consider carrying a water bottle with you so you can stay hydrated on the go. Tip 6. Be patient. When it comes to weight loss, patience is key. It's important to remember that everyone's body is different, and it may take some time before you start to see results with Ozempic. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate weight loss. Stick with your diet and exercise plan, and trust that the medication is working in the background. Tip 7. Stay positive and motivated. Finally, it's important to stay positive and motivated throughout your weight loss journey. Losing weight can be challenging, but it's important to remember why you started in the first place. Keep a journal or a vision board to remind yourself of your goals, and surround yourself with a supportive network of friends and family. You can also find motivation by tracking your progress. Keep track of your weight, your body measurements, and your exercise routine, and celebrate your successes along the way. So there you have it. 7 tips for making Ozempic work for weight loss. Remember to understand how Ozempic works, take it as directed, follow a healthy diet and exercise plan, monitor your blood sugar levels, stay hydrated, be patient, and stay positive and motivated. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals. Of course, it's important to talk to your doctor before starting any new medication or weight loss program. They can help you determine whether Ozempic is right for you and provide guidance on how to use it safely and effectively. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.